ahead and switch off Microsoft Defender, you need to know this. What is Microsoft Defender? Microsoft Defender Antivirus, formerly known as Windows Defender, is an antivirus protection program that is included with Windows 10. Unlike other antivirus programs like McAfee, Microsoft Defender is free and doesn't require any additional installation. It also routinely updated. While it's used to be terrible over the past few years, Microsoft has really pumped it up, turned it around, and Defender is now one of the best antivirus software solutions, free or paid, at detecting, blocking, and neutralizing malware. But it does its job a little bit too good and also turn your applications that you use on your laptop into useless application that you can't run it again on your laptop again. So we're able to learn how to use it properly, we might need to switch it off. So let me show you how I can do that. So right now, go to your taskbar, click on your menu, yep, right there. Once it opens up, click on your settings, yep, that's round thing that looks like a gear. Once you click on it, it's going to open up like this. Now we're going to look for update and security. Click on that. That's it. Click on that. So wait for it to open up. So right now, come to the left side of the screen. You're going to see Windows and security. Click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to open up to the next page. Okay, now come over to virus and threat protection. Click on it. Note that once you switch it off, you're kind of putting your system at risk of getting virus. So you might want to be careful from now on the links you click on. So be careful. So let's click on this now. Click on it. Okay, now it's open up. You come over to virus and threat protection settings. Come underneath that, turn on. You see manage settings. That's where you're going to click on next. So just go ahead and click on that. Okay, now we have arrived where we want to be, virus and threat protection settings. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here and switch this off. Now once we switch it off, this is not permanently going to stay off. If you read the instruction, it says automatically it can come back on maybe when you shut down your system and you're switching it back on. So it will come back on again. Another settings you might want to activate is the cloud delivery. Now this can also help you, but just read the instruction and see if it's something that you're interested in. And if you're interested in it, you can just go ahead and switch it on. Now I switch it back on the security. That's because I need to protect my system from viruses. So that's why I'm switching it back on. Okay, now let me show you a shortcut how we can get to this same place much faster. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so right now what we're going to do is we're going to come to the taskbar, click on search. In that search, you type in Windows security. Once you start typing it, you see it coming out already. You can see already it says Windows security. Click on that. Once you click on that, wait for it to open up. So right now we come over to virus and threat and protection. Click on that. Just open it up. Okay, so it's opening up. Wait for it. Okay, so then once it opens up, we come underneath virus and threat protection settings. Click on that link that says manage settings, and here we are back here again. So this is much shorter than the other routes that we took in getting here. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and check